Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1, real numbers. In that exercise 1.5, first minute. The question is given: determine the value of the following. Determine the value of the following. In the first question is log of 5 to the base 25. What is the question now? Log of 5 to the base 25. So clearly this is given in logarithmic form. So then I am going to first of all convert this one into exponential form. We know the formula is, you take like this: x is equals to log of 5, x is equals to log of 5 to the base 25. The required formula is x is equals to log of n to the base a, then a power x is equals to n. Okay, this is the formula. X is equals to log of n to the base a, then a power x is equals to n. So this is the exponential form and this is the logarithmic form. Ikkada manaki logarithmic form lo undi. Then I am going to write this one in exponential form. Here a means what, Nana? A means 25. Here a into 25 power x, x means x only, is equals to n. In the place of n, 5 is there. Now 25, we can write 25 it as 5 power 2. Yes or no? 25, what are the prime factors? 5 5s are 5 1s are, means we can write it as 5 power 2 power x is equals to 5. We know we would have a formula: a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. Okay. By using this one, we can write it as 5 power 2 into x. అంటే ఈ పవర్ని దీన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, పవర్ని హోల్ పవర్ 2 into x, that is 2x is equals to 5 power, we can write it as 1. Now clearly the bases are equal. What is the base? Here base is 5, here also base is 5. Bases are equal, then equating the powers అంటే exponents ని కూడా equate చేద్దాం. That is 2x is equals to 1. Yes or no? Bases equal ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి పవర్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. Now 2x is equals to 1. 2x nothing but that is 2 into x. So 2 transposing to RHS side, then x is equals to into quantities becomes what now? Division quantity. Now this is the value of the following. Then we can say that log of 5 to the base 25 is equals to what now? That is 1 by 2. So this is the value. Now see one more question. That is log of, question number 3, log of 1 by 16 to the base 2. Log of 1 by 16 to the base 2. Now you take it as, say its solution, x is equals to log of 1 by 16 to the base 2. So in logarithmic form name, just now I said now, what is the required formula? X is equals to log of n to the base a is equals to a power x is equals to n. Okay, this is the formula. X is equals to log of n to the base a, then a power x is equals to n. Now see here, a means in the place of a 2 is there, 2 power x, x means x only, is equals to n. In the place of n, 1 by 16 is there. Now 2 power x is equals to 1 by 16 means we can write it as the prime factors. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, means 1 2 3 4, means we can write it as 2 power 4. Okay, now we will have one formula, 1 by a power n, 1 by a power n is equals to a power minus n. Okay, 1 by a power n is equals to a power minus n. By using this form, 1 by a power n, then we can write it as 2 power x is equals to 2 power minus 4. Clearly base is 2 and base is 2. Bases వచ్చేసి equal ఉన్నాయి. Then equating the powers means we get x is equals to minus 4. Okay na? So this is the required answer for this question. Now see one more problem based on this model. The question is given, log of 0.01 to the base 10. Log of 0.01 to the base 10. We can write it as, see, x is equals to a log of 0.01 to the base 10. Now what I am doing here, as per formula, x is equals to log of n to the base a, then a power x is equals to n. Okay, as per formula, a means అంటే ఇక్కడ లాగరిథమిక్ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నదాన్ని ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. a means ఇక్కడ a ప్లస్ లో ఏముంది 10, so 10 power x means that is x only is equals to n. In the place of n, 0 point, n plus the 0.01 is there, 0.01. Now 10 power x is equals to 0.01, 0.01. So first of all, you just write without point. So you think there is no point, akkada point ledanukondi, you just write the decimals, you just write the digits 0 0 1 by, you take denominator as 1. Now clearly how many decimal places are there? ఈ point after ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని decimal places ఉన్నాయి? 2 decimal places are there. That's why you write 2 zeros beside of 1, right side of 1. Now 1 ki left side zeros unte there is no strength and there is no value. That's why ఆ zeros ని erase చేసాం. So we get 10 power x is equals to 1 by 100. Now we can write it as, దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం, 10 power x is equals to 1 by 100 means we can write it as 1 by 10 power 2. 100 ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు, 1 by 100 is 1 by 10 power 2. In next step, 10 power x is equals to, we can write this one 1 by a power n, that is equals to a power minus n, means 10 power minus 2. Clearly bases are equal. ఇక్కడ bases వచ్చేసి 10 ఉంది, సేమ్ bases ఉంది. Then equating the powers అంటే exponents ని ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే x is equals to, we get minus 2. So this is the required value for this one. In the same manner, now see one more problem. That is question number 9. This is also very important question, Nana, for one more. 2 power 2 plus log of 3 to the base 2. 2 power 2 plus log of 3 to the base 2. This is the question. Now you can write it as, you try to remember one formula. We discussed in loss of exponents, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. This is the required formula. You try to remember, Nana. Same base undali, but powers are different. Okay na? Bases are same, but powers are different. So that's why we can write it as a power m plus n. Okay na? సేమ్ బేస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ పవర్స్ని వచ్చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తాం. మనకి క్లియర్గా ఇక్కడ ఏ మీన్స్ 2, m మీన్స్ 2 ప్లస్ n మీన్స్ log of 3 to the base 2. అంటే మనకి క్లియర్గా ఇక్కడ RHS పార్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ RHS పార్ట్ని మనం ఎందులో రాయాలి, LHS పార్ట్గా రాద్దాం. దెన్ a power m into a power n గా రాద్దాం. మీన్స్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 2 power 2 into 2 power log of 3 to the base 2. So a power m plus n form lo unna deenni I just write in the form of a power m into a power n. Okay, now see here 2 power 2 means that is what, Nana? 2 power 2 means that is 4 into, you just observe this one here, which formula is useful, that is, since a power log of n, a power log of n to the base a is equals to n. What is the formula, Nana? A power log of n to the base a is equals to n. See here, a 2, log n 3, a 2. So ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. వాట్ అన్న n, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న n ఏంటి 3. ఈ హోల్ పార్ట్ని యాజ్ పర్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ n. అంటే n ప్లస్లో ఉన్న ఈ 3ని ఇక్కడ రాసేయచ్చు. 4 3s is equals to 12. So this is the required answer for this question. So you to practice the remaining problems in this main by using the formula. Okay, thank you, students.